Good morning. We're Group 4 from Industrial Engineering Design, want to present our midterm exam. Here's our team member. There are Adetriana, Alycia, Felicia, Yumna, and me, Mardiyyah. Next. And this is our agenda for this presentation. We're going to start with the NPD model. Next. Based on the topic we've given, which is SDG number 6 about water and sanitation, we make a product called Benthic, which is a water purifier that can be attached to a table and adjustable. And it has built-in filtration system to remove pathogens such as bacteria, parasites, and viruses from all water sources so that the water is safe and can be consumed. Benthic has several features. There are 3 layers of filters, and it also has water-saving sensor, screen indicator, flexible neck to adjust the water height, and ring-shaped faucet to make it easier to grab when adjusting to height. Next. We also do benchmarking with the product that has similarities to our product. We found products and compared the features, capacity, and price to analyze the market and NPD model. As you can see from the comparison table, Benthic has all the features and different indicator, which is screen indicator. It also has the largest capacity, about 4,000 liters, and the price is in the middle. Next. Based on the facts we gather from online sources, we analyze the suitable NPD model for the benchmarking product. For Pure, the fitted NPD model is evolutionary prototyping because the company developed several similar products as this product. And for the Frank, we choose activity stage models and concurrent engineering because of the good technology and innovation, accurate marketing targets, and the practical use in kitchen, but normal design. Next. For our product, we compare all the models by seeing the pros and cons. Next. With the consideration of our product characteristics and constraints, the stage gate model is the right model to improve the performance and to reduce the risk of failure. Next. So why we think this is the right model? First, because it can reach market quickly. Second, it increases new product success rate. Third, it produces fewer errors, waste, and rework. 4, the scope, requirements, and the deliverables are clearly defined. 5, it's efficient and effective. And last, it improves cross-functional collaboration. Next. So this is how the stage model works. There are 7 phases, and each of them has gates or checkpoint before going to the next phase.
My name is Adetriana Khairunnisa, and I will explain about Benthic's business model. Next. We use the value proposition canvas to describe how we create value for our customers. After filling all the sections in the canvas, our value proposition is a ready-to-drink water tap with built-in filter. With the key customer segment are middle and upper class society and also public places. Next. We use the business model canvas to describe how we create value for our business. These are our key partners. Because of the complex features that Benthic have, the company will be the one who constructs Benthic with the equipment from suppliers that already expertise in the technology needed. So we can focus more on key activities. To deliver our value proposition well, we break down the key activities to 4 things, which are production, marketing, supply chain, and after-sales service. Our key resources are intellectual property such as idea, design, and complete features, and then human that are needed to continue developing the product, and last is physical property such as building, vehicle, machine, and distribution networks. According to customer segment, the needs for the customer are centered in the design and the features of Benthic, so the value we propose are as stated in the BNC. Next is customer relationship. To build a market for a domestic, not yet widely known technology like Benthic, trial usage can give customers conviction to at least try and furthermore buy. This conviction is needed to enter normal market in the brand store, hence this meeting to explain the product can be a good solution. We give a loyalty program to customers so they won't sway to other competitors in the future. To reach the customer that looking for Benthic's full value proposition, we use many channels such as brand stores, retailers, online shop, and reaching to the decision maker, to targeted corporation or even governor to include Benthic in their CSR program. So lower economic class customer that need this technology can be reached. Because Benthic focus is to provide the best tasting and quality water at home, the customer we serve are families, public places, young professionals, and corporates. Next is cost structure. Linking to the key activities, these are the cost structure of Benthic. And last is revenue stream. The revenue will be from the sales of product and complementary products of their customer, product renting, advertisement, and after-sales service. Next. Therefore, our business model type is a mix of the e-commerce, rent instead of buy, and customer loyalty type of business model. We choose this type of business model because we want to build our company selling channel in the strong online platform, and we want to provide the public needs and promote our product by displaying the usefulness of Benthic in the real environment, makes it good to rank to the product targeted to the public user. And we also want to maintain a long-term relationship with our customer by gaining their trust and turn that into loyalty. Next.
Next, I will explain about our project management and organizational structure. Next. Here is our project management made in Microsoft project that we project will be finished in 432 days on Thursday, 14th of July 2022 with a total of 201 tasks. Next. Our organization structure is constructed based on composite organization structure, which consists of 5 positions which exercise in each category, which needed with chief executive. Next. The structural selection is based from some consideration. First, the adaptability to the project need. Second, the efficiency use of a research for the best allocation. Third, the increase of productivity leading to excellent output. Fourth, the increased project for success rate may make it easier to manage the project. Next, the fifth is the comprehensive flow of information, as a complex structure helps to have more efficient information flow up and down, which is more critical for a small startup. And the last and the most important thing is team and individuals become responsive and integrated. In conclusion, the composite and lean structure of our selection is the best perfect fit for our company, which need a small and dynamic environment to make it easier for every department to collaborate daily and make the project more integrated.
Hello, my name is Alycia Charolina. I'm going to take over from here to explain about the conjoint analysis next. First step is designing the conjoint analysis is that we make designs for Benthic. There are 3 designs for the body of Benthic as a part of the conjoint analysis process. Next. The next step is that we made several options for the properties Benthic as a part of the conjoint analysis process. The options are about the guarantee period, packaging design, price, indicator appearance, installation assistance, and after-sales service. Next. Next, we conduct the conjoint analysis using the SPSS software. The conjoint analysis generated card lists as pairs of options for the Benthic profile. Next. There are a total of 32 card lists generated in the conjoint analysis. Next. Therefore, we decided to go with profile number 10, the output of the conjoint analysis, as our Benthic overall product and service. The guarantee will be for 3 years with the tote bag box as packaging design, body design type A, screen indicator, 2.999 million rupiah in price with after sale service and installation assistance. Next. On to the next part, the product draft patent. Next. The invention is called Benthic, which is a ready-to-drink water faucet with built-in filter that also has an integrated mobile application. The invention emerged to overcome problems that the existing products already have. Next. So this is the process of creating invention. It starts with the problem research and then idea brainstorming,
And then we also conduct customer needs analysis. We gave surveys for the customers to know what they want. And after that, we did a QFD plus benchmarking to other products. And after that, from the benchmarking and QFD, we started to design the product. And after the product is already designed, we establish the organization. After that, we make the business model, also the conjoint analysis, and the last thing is the patents draft. Next. Okay, this is the claim. Benthic has 4 claims. To summarize, Benthic is a modern design drinking water faucet with built-in water filter and LCD screen as the indicator of water quality and filter usage. Benthic also has integrated mobile application as part of their customer service. Next. So this is the pictures of the invention. It uh, also has the body parts, and the picture on the bottom right is the interface of the water quality status and filter indication of change. Okay, next. This is the picture, the interface of the mobile application. It varies from the primary interface, sign up menu, login menu, users profile menu, water quality and filter indication information, and the last picture is the service menu. Next.
I am Felicia Nathania, and I will be explaining Benthic's prototyping. Next. A prototype is an early model built to test a concept. In early prototyping, we developed a digital prototype using Autodesk Inventor to create a complete product design that is 3D printable. Next. Benthic is designed by considering ergonomics and environmental aspects. Benthic has an aesthetic ring shape which psychologically gives stability for the user. Next. Adjustable table clamp functions to attach product at any table that user finds convenient. Thus, user will not have an awkward posture when filling water containers. Next. Water pipe that channels water from the water source and a cable to connect to electrical outlet is placed at the back. Next. A C-shaped lag functions to help user position containers according to the water outlet. Benthic is not sharp-angled with fillies, thus eliminating hazard for users. On the left side of the lag, there's an LCD screen. Next. While on the right, there's a button to connect Benthic to Wi-Fi for integration with mobile application. Next. The prism is a location for the built-in filter, which is easy to access through lit-up compartment. A mechanism to open the compartment by unhooking and lifting the lid that is still attached by hinges. The built-in filter allows water to pass through 3 layers of filtration, which are activated carbon filter to filter chemicals, ion exchange filtration to remove inorganic materials, and ultrafilter membranes to filter out pollutants, including viruses, resulting in the output of safe and clean, ready-to-drink water. The small tubular filter makes it easier for users to change the filter. Next. The neck connected to the prism can be adjusted to reach all users, including children, the elderly, and people with special needs. Next. There's a water-saving sensor placed near the outlet. Next. The next prototype is a mock-up of user interface as a realistic visual design to facilitate digital assessment. Next. The LCD screen provides information on water filtration percentage and filter usage compared to its lifespan, which will give auditory alert of 80 decibels to change the filter when it reaches the end of its lifespan. Next. The mobile application has the following interface. On the welcome page, the user chooses either to create a new account or log in with a registered account, then continue to the designated place. Next. On the left is the profile page. On the home page are menus to view product information, customer service, and request a service technician. On the product information page, users can know filtration process percentage and current filter usage, which can give alert to change the filter. The app has a special Know Your Water section to provide information about SDG 6 to increase users' knowledge and awareness. Benthic, especially its user interface, is designed with cognitive ergonomics in mind, namely the use of icons, high readability text, and color scheme, reflecting clean water, promoting calmness and trust. The product is silver to give an elegant and neutral perception in line with target users. Benthic does not produce vibration or noise as environmental ergonomic aspect. This product is designed with stainless steel, which is resistant to corrosion, thus having a long lifespan and maximizing values during its lifetime, thereby reducing the impact to the environment. Next. Finally, rapid prototyping is done for fast model fabrication using 3D printer. Next. We use the 3D print MakerBot Replicator Mini, where the machine needs to be set up by connecting to electrical socket and loading the 3D printer filament. Next. Then the digital prototype is opened on the MakerBot desktop and adjusted for 3D printing. Next. Finally, we print the product by clicking Start Print. The printing starts from the back of the Benthic, and then laying down successive layers of materials until the product is complete. Next. After we are done printing, we can take out our product and remove it from the plate. Then we need to unload the filament and turn off the machine. Next. As we can see from the picture, the 3D printing process of rapid prototyping provides a complete model of Benthic in a short time of 1 hour, therefore allowing improvements to be implemented earlier in the product development process. This process is extremely precise, being able to use computer-aided design. We can see from the pictures that the digital prototype with 3D printing results have the same features and appearance, only in different scales. The 3D printing result consists of the table clamp at the bottom, pipe and cable on the back, the C-shaped latch, prism compartment, and the ring-shaped hat with functions as described before. Thus, Benthic product design is intended to provide access to clean, ready-to-drink water for achieving SDG 6 and in addition providing convenience, comfort, and cost savings for users. Rapid prototyping is done by 3D printing as milestone to provide visualization for integration, allowing communication and feedbacks for further improvements in a short time.
Next, I will explain our financial model. Next. We are making our financial model on Microsoft Excel. Here is part of our balance sheet. We are comparing a net working capital and fixed asset. It shows that the fixed asset will reduce due to the depreciation and the net working capital grow as the business growing, but never more than the fixed asset. It means that in 1 year, the company will still be managed to work with the engine investment despite of the depreciation. Next. Then we are comparing our key financial ratio of ROE and ROI, showing how healthy the company financial management will be. Both increase in each year, means the company is very profitable, expand rather than servicing debt, and asset is utilized well to earn profit. Because of this, an improvement of yield for investor is possible, showing the company promising growth. On the other hand, we can see the liquidity of our company. It's very high, it's at 100% in month 10. Means the investment and expanding is more likely than possible to do in everybody because the cash from the investment and company profit can be easily taken. Next. Here is our financial summary. We take 40% portions of fixed investment and 60% of fixed investment to bring our credit. The interest rate is 10.68 per month, and the materials turnover is a half month. The increase of selling price, HPP, and working capital is 1.53% per month. It brings us to IRR for year 1 to 4.46%. And hence, our payback period of the company is 40 months. Next. And then we show our cash flow. The cash flow prediction obtained from Benthic business in increasing each period means that the Benthic business is visible and profitable. Next. From the calculation we made, we obtained the IRR and compared it with the interest rate. It brings us to show that the IRR is more greater than the interest rate. It means that we can pay off our debt and doing our operational without debt, and Benthic is feasible for production because the value of IRR is more than the interest rate.
And to conclude all of the process that we have done, perfection has to do with the end product, but excellence has to do with process. Thank you and good morning.